realize that some sounds didn't have meanings for all those tones, but usually you find at least 3 or 4 or 5 tones for one sound. So you can see that for Cantonese, don't just write out the European letter for the pronunciation for the sounds only, but the tones are important. So just the same pronunciation, BAA, but you can hear that there are at least a few tones, and then each tone at least a few words. And each word can also have a few meaning. So you can see that for any sound of Cantonese or Chinese, you must make it clear about the pronunciation letter, about the tones, and also you have to know that even same sound, same tone, there are different meanings. All right. So we can go to PA. PA pa. Okay. Tone one pa. Pa means you lie face down. Okay. That means you put your face facing the ground. Okay. You lie face down. Then that is pa. Okay. Yeah. Stretch out your body face down. Then that's pa. And then so you like this, okay, the children, or sometimes if you put it face down like that, maybe they will keep moving on the ground, or the some animals, okay, that's pa, okay. And then 通知扒 usually 咧就係we use in Cantonese for those steak, okay, for example beef steak 牛扒 of course we also have 豬扒雞扒 okay then that is the steak, okay. And then in the US, even the steak, it might not be a whole piece, okay? So we have to ask it whether it is a whole piece or whether it is just the meat itself, okay? But in Hong Kong, if you use 扒 that means a whole piece, okay? Either 豬扒, that means the pork or chicken, 雞扒 or beef 牛扒, that means a whole piece. Then there's 扒. So we always go to 食扒餐, especially in the past 20 years. There is a famous restaurant for eating the 扒. So there are many 扒房. 房 means the room. That means the restaurants we use 房, okay, 房. The room, and then we use 扒房. That means this restaurant is famous for eating the 扒, okay. Usually when we refer 扒 we refer to 牛扒. But sometimes we can also eat 豬扒 雞扒. Of course in those Hong Kong style restaurant daily. But for those 扒房 usually we eat 牛扒. You okay? Yeah. And then 怕啦，通書怕咧 means you are scared. 我怕 but sometimes in spoken we usually use scared. 我好驚or but of course you can also 怕啦。Sometimes people will ask you 你怕乜嘢啊？我怕黑啊。So 我怕黑 that means I am scared about darkness. Okay. I'm frightened by darkness, okay? I dare not to walk in darkness. Then that is 怕啦，驚啦。咁你可以話我怕黑喎，我怕夜晚喎，我怕蛇喎 snake 喎。咁你可以用怕。But if you just use 我怕咧then you usually use 我驚。我驚啊！我驚啊！我唔敢去啊！我驚啊！都係你去啦，OK？I dare not follow you. You go. I won't go. I am scared. 我怕，OK？Of course you can also say 我驚啊，OK？咁你驚乜啊？你怕乜啊？Alright? And then 爬，通科爬 means to climb. OK? Use your hands, your fingers. OK? To 爬山to climb up the hills 爬。When I was young, I usually climbed the hills and mountains with both of my hands, my legs, and then, of course the whole body. Okay, but you must use your hand to hold the rocks tight. I really mean the real 爬山. That means you really have to climb on the hills. Okay, hold it tight and then step by step. Okay, yeah. So that is 爬. And then. Usually when you practice those are different sounds and tones for one combination of initial and finals, then you better try to make some sentences. For example, just now 爬咧you can say 細路仔爬山，細路仔就 mean the little children 怕 they are scared of climbing hills 細路仔怕爬山，我 make it simple 我怕爬山，即係我驚爬山啦，我唔敢爬山啦，I'm scared of，OK？and then 淨係趴喺度，OK？So I can only lie face down，OK？So of course an adult surely won't lie face down, right? At least you can walk away, even you cannot climb, right? Of course when the hillside is so steep that you must climb, then of course you cannot walk there, and then maybe you dare not move, then you just 趴喺度，OK？ You just lie face down, holding on the rock, but you dare not climb up 樣得意曬我怕爬山，我淨係趴喺度。Usually when you practice those are different sounds and tones for one combination of initial and finals, then you better try to make some sentences. 細路仔怕爬山，細路仔就 mean the little children 怕 they are scared of climbing hills。細路仔怕爬山，我 make it simple 我怕爬山，即係我驚爬山啦，我唔敢爬山啦，I'm scared of，OK？and then 淨係趴喺度，OK？So I can only lie face down，OK？So of course an adult surely won't lie face down, right? At least you can walk away, even you cannot climb, right? Of course when the hillside is so steep that you must climb, then of course you cannot walk there, and then maybe you dare not move, then you just 趴喺度，OK？ You just lie face down, holding on the rock, but you dare not climb up 樣得意曬我怕爬山，我淨係趴喺度，淨係 means only，OK？ 淨係，OK？So make some sentences, make some phrases to practice the different tones of different sounds with different pronunciation letters, okay? And also with the different tones, so that you at least you make the sound well, and then you also know the meaning by making the phrases. So refer to the table, refer to the movie of pronouncing, and the movie of how to pronounce, and then and also this series of movie about the meanings. Then you will understand more. So refer to all of my other movies when you want to learn Cantonese. All right, there are English series. There are also Cantonese series, Chinese series on pronouncing, on different meanings of different sounds and tones, and also of all different words. Okay, so hope you can read all those movies in the series, and also all those related series, especially with those related to Cantonese learning. All right.